We're at Gibbon's Cave and Summerhill Waterfall. We're going to have a walk up to the cave and the waterfall, but first off I want to take you down to the river and show you this. See this here? Unbelievable. Oh look, it looks like there's been like a cooking bit over here, or a mud kitchen for kids. Right, we're going to walk up the track now to where the caves are and to where the waterfall is. And we'll see how we get on. I'll get you back in a minute. I'm using a new camera today. This is the Insta360 X5. So hopefully we can get some better quality videos for you guys instead of using my phone. So my phone's not that good. See how we get on. Need to take that hood down though. But this is amazing up there. I love it. We've just came through the moors and it was full of snow. So right, I'll get you back when we get a little bit closer. Look at this. It's a little spiral. I'm just getting used to using this camera, so bear with me please. How cool is that, eh?
It's very nice.
I think it's just something for the kids there, aye. There must have been like an Easter egg hunt or something. You can see. Oh no, it's not. It's a little thing for the kids to come and have a look at. Just explaining what they can find round here. It's a picnic table. We head off down onto the main track. Now, if you are visiting here, you want to be coming to the Bowleys Visitors Car Park. Now, it's got a pay machine there that you've got to pay to park, but you'll need change because it doesn't accept card. I had to rake through all my 5 pences. But how cool is this, eh? There, look at the wooden one. Somebody's made a little shelter here. Look, it might have been, you know, the survival schools that they do.
Yeah.
It might be that. Oh, it's absolutely freezing. Woo! Up under this tree. Gonna get a good view of this waterfall. Especially with this new camera. I'm quite impressed with it. If you're thinking about upgrading your gear, you know, get that over there. I don't know if you can pick it up, but look at that over there. Wow. I think we should have been on the other side by the looks of things. See if I can get down here without falling. It's pretty slippy today. It was right up. We'll go back over there, I think. So, this location, it's located near Milton Teesdale, in a little place called Newbiggin. So if you want to visit, that's where you need to head. Oh, it is freezing. Right, we're walking up the path now towards the waterfall, and I think the caves are off to the right hand side, so we'll see what that's all about as well. It's all good. We're just coming up to the waterfall now on the right side. Woo. Look at this. How beautiful is this, eh? Wow. Get your reel. Look over on the other side, it looks like there's a looks like something being back here there. Oh, listen to the roar of it. I best get down up here. Woo! Unbelievable. Gonna have a little bit further walk up there. See what else is. Hopefully we find the caves there. We've got these steps to climb. Woohoo! Burning the calories. Aye. Look at that on the tree there. It's like a painting, but somebody's done it. Beautiful. Oh, this is what it's all about. Getting out, having an adventure, making memories. This takes you onto the top way of the waterfall. I'll show you looking down from the top. Oh, there's actually a visitor's platform from up above. I'll go one step better. Get you higher. Look at the road on the other side. Like three different waterfalls, three different ones there. But oh, that's one up here. You can see Nicola ahead. Nicola, what was it like driving over them moors? Woo!
It's almost as bleacher, man.
Aye. Right, I'm going to switch you off until we get a little bit closer to where these caves are. See that cave on the other side? Where I'm standing now, it looks like there would have been a bridge going over onto that. What a beautiful day for it. I'm just going to keep this running, guys. See what we see. See what this camera can do. Whoa. Get under there. This is the first time I've came here before. I would say it's kind of family friendly, to be honest.
Wheelchair accessible.
Down near the visitor centre, it's wheelchair accessible.
Toilet.
Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh, hey. This is going to be fun. Hopefully the audio's alright. I'm going to upgrade my mics as well so you can hear us a bit better. But wow, I'm getting the mist off that from even over here. Look at that. Wow. Should we go underneath, guys? Should we do it? Let's do it, eh? Woohoo! Wow. Look at that. Wow. Right. I'm going to shoot these off for now. I'm going to get you back on when I'm underneath it. Hey. Are we ready for this, guys? Woohoo! Let's do it. We're underneath it. Wow. Look at that. Woo. How cool is that? Yes! Oh, I'm not getting soaking under there. Woo! The camera will be alright. Let's put the camera underneath it, eh? Wow! Yes! Man, that's class. I'm gonna come out the way, but I don't know how much you heard of us there, but that is unbelievable, guys. Nicola, go on! How cool was that? Underneath the waterfall. Now, this is only like 5-10 minutes walk from where the car park is. But it's worth it, and it's easy, and it's great, and it's an adventure, and the kids would love it. Hopefully this new camera's done its justice, like, because honestly, that there is amazing. The roar of the water going underneath the cave. That is what it's all about. Hands are red raw, it's freezing. Right, I'm going to shut these off. I'm going to see what's on the next bit of the walk. And I'll get you back in a minute. Yeah, I will. Here's a little bit about it, guys. Who was Gibson? Well, I've got a mate with a surname called Gibson, but I don't think it was him. So, local tradition tells of the 16th century outlaw who hid here while on the run from the constables of Barnard Castle. William Gibson was said to have been a lovable rogue. Friends supplied him with food and dry clothes while he hid behind the waterfall silvered screen in his dark and secret hideaway. How cool is that? And look at him there, sitting there with a full leg of meat. Oh, hey, there's worse a place to hide when you're a rogue. Mint. Right, on to the next.
How are you feeling? How are you feeling now? When all the pieces seem like they can't be found, I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home. Whoa, I'm coming home. Whoa, I'm coming home. We'll find our way back home. Not gonna step back, not gonna step back now. We're flying higher, we're gonna reach the clouds. I'll be the friend that is standing there. I'll be the hand holding all your cares. I see you now, I'm not going anywhere. We'll find our way back home. We'll find our way back home. No, we'll never have to walk alone. We'll find our way back home.
So we're live and direct. No, I was just walking, just did a little bit of stuff done. Way aye. What it's all about, getting out and exploring. To be fair, this video today is just really to test this camera, see what it can do, see how I can use it. I'm not very good with technology, but getting a larger. But I'm giving it a blast, I'm learning it. Christ, just setting it up, hard to get in touch with the technical team. Just activated. Oh, fuck my life. I'm trying with a YouTube thing, but realistically, I'm a pen and paper sort of guy, like, you know what I mean? Talk about technology and I'm no good. Right, I'm going to shut you off 2 seconds. I shut you off there because there was another walker. Some people didn't like to be on camera, and now obviously people argue the thing where you're in public and all the rest of it, but no, I'm a respectable guy, so you never know, might have called in sick. Right, down these stairs we go. Watch the old knees. If you've got old knees, like, this might be a challenge.
Or short legs.
Ah, your short legs, Nicola, how are you getting on? I can just feel it like behind us. Whoa, it's just coming for us.
I have to do 2 takes on it today.
Woo, right, there's a quarry here on our left hand side. Now, obviously, it's got a ramp there for people that have got mobility issues.
Because they put wildflowers here so they can enjoy the wildflowers.
Alright, so in the springtime the wildflowers will come up. But you can just say, oh, this is a little bit slippy like.
You've been able to put chicken wire on.
Wait, it's got that, see these grips here?
Aye, but they
That's-
didn't last that long. Chicken wire grip.
I bet this is absolutely lovely in the summer. Really beautiful. It was a quarry, yes. I want to see this. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but what is this little cubby hole up here? This looks more of a hideout than what the bloody waterfall did. Bring you back down to level. Oh, it's just So we're going to continue on. This isn't a long walk at all. Could be easy if you wanted to rush it. 25 minutes. Waterfall, cave car. But like with us, we're just taking our time and enjoying this. Enjoying the little bit of the winter atmospheric. That's a big word, isn't it? Just got water in my boots. But yep, I'm testing this camera when I'll see how it gets on when we're editing and all. Because with it being 360, I've went in all big. I went all out, and I probably haven't got a clue. So if this turns out wrong, then it's wrong.
Well, we're looking at different cameras, weren't we? But
Aye.
with the Insta, you can change the lenses. What we do, we go out walking and whatnot. We've got bikes and that, so if it chips, then instead
Plus,
of sending
this is
it
fully
off,
waterproof as well.
instead of sending it off, we just change it ourselves. And it's durable, what we need.
And I got it for a cracking deal and all.
Yeah, Costco.
Costco. They'll sort you right out. Bundle deal as well. I love a good bundle deal, mate. But I think we should head into Milton Teesdale, mate.
Head in.
Aye, see what's there.
Wait, the sign said something was over.
Do you know, I've got a funny story to tell actually. Right? Maybe it's about 8 years ago, right?
Oh.
I was at Milton Teesdale.
Right.
And I went to a fish and chip shop. Now, I don't know where in the world you're from or whatever, but here in the UK you have what's called a cheese patty. So it's basically cheese and potato dipped in butter. And it's accessible in near enough every fish and chip shop, like, you know what I mean? There's toilets here as well. So, I goes in, says, oh, I'll have a cheese patty and chips. He goes, you what? I says, I'll have a cheese patty and chips. He goes, what's a cheese patty? I says, mate, you don't know what a cheese patty is? He went, no, we don't sell cheese patties. He goes, and I explained to him what I've just said to you. It's like, he goes, right, I'll sort you one out. He went in the fridge, didn't he?
Yeah.
Got a block of cheese, dipped it in the batter and hid it in. Gives it the thing. I tell you what, it was the nicest cheese patty I've had in my life.
It wasn't really a cheese patty.
No, it was just a block of cheese melted in batter, but it was beautiful. So there's one for you. You can see we're coming back to the car now.
I wonder what's up that way.
Aye, well, I'll go back across the bridge. We'll go back across the bridge. You know? I think that's a visitor centre.
Wait, low force, Penang Way, then you've got high force. Then you've got a visitor centre.
So obviously you'll see there, guys, I'll spin the camera around so you can have a look. You can see obviously how the distance of all the different things, like, you know, we've did the Bose Quarry, we've been to Gibson Cave and Summerhill Waterfall, you know, but this, you can follow the Pennines Way along to low force, you know, and high force as well. That's another beautiful place to go and visit.
Really nice.
You know, so we're going to have a little look up here because they reckon that there's a visitor centre cafe and shop, so we'll have a little look. Nah. Reckon there was a bacon stuff. What about a cheese patty?
No.
After I've just said no.
No.
Oh well. God loves to try. Right, we're going to cross this bridge and go up here. This might end up just being like an uninterrupted vlog.
Yeah.
This might be. Because I probably don't know how to edit it properly with the 360. Alright, well, this looks like it's a mud kitchen over here for the kids.
Oh, so like what schools have got in now?
Like forest schools, aye.
Forest schools.
So, messy hands make light work.
Oh,
so look at,
just a little basin.
a little mud kitchen, and then you've got over here a fire pit. But I think this is to be tied in with the visit centre. I don't think you can just come here and light a fire like. Unauthorised, so it says there that it's no unauthorised fires allowed anywhere on this site, so this must be tied in with the visitor centre. They might do something with the local schools, or I don't know, like maybe survival groups or something like that. I'm not too sure. But,
or like wellness groups or something.
Aye, maybe. But we're up another flight of stairs. Getting the steps in here, like, aren't we? I've been having problems with my right knee, like. My right knee's been really sore lately, so.
Need a new knee.
Need a new knee. No. Oh, look, these must be lights. These must be lights.
Oh. Right, yeah.
Aye, the lights are there. We've got a gritter box up here. Could have used that when I was up on the top of the on the moors. A little bit of a forest trick there. It's a footpath by the looks of things. They've made a little thing for the kids over there. Oh, what's this down here? Oh, the plaque's gone, unfortunately.
Oh, there's another one there.
Where? Oh yeah, here's the visitor centre. Doesn't look like it's open.
Oh, it's closed.
Oh, 1868. Can you see that that stone there? And what does it say up there? See if I can get you up there. I can't quite make it out from down here. Use my guys. I can just see Chapel 1845. That's the only bit I can say. I can't really make out the top one. Primitive.
Yeah.
Aye. Primitive. Something chapel.
Opens on the 21st of February 2026 for half term.
Yep. So it's open for half term week, guys. Oh, look at all the birds.
Oh, look at it.
Didn't even see that there. That looks like it's a little nature garden. Helen's garden. This wildlife garden is dedicated to our friend and colleague Helen Hamilton. Aye.
Areas of haven for wildlife include ideas that you can take home. It
says our peatlands. Oh, look on the wall as well. We've got like little insects on these sort of
it's busy, isn't it?
slates. Aye. Aye. So the cafe is shut today, but that's probably saved me putting on the extra pounds.
What are you going to say?
Oh, so look, you go out this gate to High Force. You know, it says there. There's disabled access again. There's a disabled car park right here in front of the building. Or around the back as well even. There's a few disability bays. If you're travelling in electric, the hook-up points over there. Please do not park here, it says. But I want to see the sheep over here.
Can you see the snow on the other side?
Potentially.
Starting at,
I know, the snow's coming down.
Here. Oh, there's a horse from there.
Ah, there's a horse. Oh look, there's a pheasant in with the sheep. Yep. I think we're going to head back to the car now, guys. I'm going to put my outdoor out now. So, what I'm going to say, if we've got anything else to video, we will. If not, I'll catch you on the next one. Get out, have an adventure, make memories.